Course introduction of Pandas. Uh, this is a mini course for and a beginner friendly course where you are going to learn a few inbuilt methods in Pandas, and we are going to see a few operations. There are a lot many of them, and we are not going in depth, but you are going to get acquainted such a way that whenever you see a new method or when you see a new situation, a new operation, you can quickly understand it and learn it. So that is the main goal of this course. So what would be the design and path? There are going to be a series of videos, and you can watch the videos, pause at your will, and parallelly work on whatever I'm doing. So coding along is very efficient and it enhances your learning. There are also exercises which I'll show you in the course link, and there are also solutions. You can work on the exercises and check the solutions, and there will be lab assignments which I'm going to update. And these are some of the videos that I have listed, 5 of them, and there are more videos coming up, and uh, I will add those videos to the playlist. So what would be the learning outcomes of this course? At the end of watching a few videos, coding along and doing exercises, you will become good at selecting subset of data from a table, or you'll find missing values. We'll be able to find you know average of a column of data, or you'll know how to handle numerical data, and given a data set you'll know understand the data by doing certain using certain methods and understand looking at certain data and stats. You'll be able to understand the data, and there are much more things that you will learn. So let me go to the course page. This is the course page, Pandas for ML, and it has got certain folders. And if you see the exercises folder, these are some of the exercises. Let's look at one of the exercises. So this is an exercise was. So what you have to do is go to this Pandas for ML page, and then using the drop down of code you can download the zip. And once you download it and then unzip the zip, you end up with something like this, a folder with all these things. So here you can pick these .ipynb files and go to your Google Colab, and under the upload section you can drag and drop or choose that file and start working on your exercises. Once you're done with the exercises, you can verify with the solutions that are present here. Okay, you can verify with the solutions that are present here. And another important point I wanted to tell is the documentation. If you look at, there are a couple of resources that are useful. So documentation, this is Pandas user guide, and it has got decent contents here. Okay, and also there is something called a search bar on the left side of this. So if you know any method and if you want to look in some examples of that method, or if you want to look in some parameters, description of the parameters, you can use this search bar. Let's say you'll say p dot is null, and then just hit search, and you will end up getting that method that is related to. So maybe I'm looking for this related to that method, documentation related to this method. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to learn what this is, and I'm going to understand what the parameter does, what are the parameters that are allowed. Then I can look at some of the examples. Now what about uh, in what about cases wherein you are not aware of the methods? So this is a PDF document where you have a very good index here, wherein you can find whatever you want to by using Control F. Just search the document. Maybe let's say missing. So you're looking for like missing data or something like that. Now you have a lot of uh, uh, information here, missing maybe data. So working with missing data, there are a lot of information, and you can go to that particular topic and learn from it. So this is how you can use documentation. So overall, this is what you can do to familiarize yourself with pandas, as pandas is quintessential in the realm of data science, um, be it data collecting, structuring the data into a table form, and understanding the data, manipulating the data, and analyzing the data at every stage of this life cycle. Pandas is very, very essential. So thank you and good luck.